I will show you today how to repair your mobile phone. I got this Xperia Mini and I watered it. So there was water which went inside of the display and the backlighting of the LCD broke. So I have just decided not to throw this thing away since I like it and still works. Just the display is broken, and ordered in China via AliExpress for I guess $8 with shipping this replacement display, which I checked is exactly the same display which is built in this device, and I will show you how to exchange this display. It's not very difficult. What you need is these star-shaped screwdrivers, which are two sizes. Okay, focus it. It's T6 for inside and T5 for the outside screws. So these are two different sizes. I got this complete set of screwdrivers for about 10 euro. I don't know. You can get them way cheaper. I guess some eBay sellers just give you the needed screwdrivers in a set. But I liked to have all the small sizes, so I bought this set additionally. So let's start, and you can take your cover off. You might have already took it at least the back cover off. You take out the battery, your SD card and your SIM card. Then you have 5 screws here. These are 1, 2, 3 metal screws and 2 plastic screws. Let's take the screwdriver. Here on the lower right corner there is this nipple, this rubber nipple from the cover of the USB slot. That's maybe you have to get around this. Okay, so this have been the 5 screws. Let's get them away. This one sticking to the magnet of the speaker, and get this thing apart. You want to take this from this side. I take another flat screwdriver just to get this thing out. Okay, immediately this speaker jack just fell out. This is in place like this, and they didn't connect this with solder or yeah, because yeah, if you just pull out and push in the cable, you wiggle it and it will fall off, and you will have some cold solder joints or maybe broken solder joints, and your phones will stop working soon. So this is a quite nice solution. It's just contact based on pressure contact, and I like this really well. You have just to take care you don't lose this thing. You can just put it maybe here back in the place, and you can see the insides of the device, vibrating motor, your camera, and yeah, some stuff is here. The speaker is included here and is connected via one of these contacts here. Here are also some pressure contacts which are connecting to the top here. Then we have another 2 screws inside, which we need the bigger one for, the T6, I guess. T6, yeah, T6. Okay. You have to take care which screw is where. I will explain it maybe a bit more. There are these screws. Let's zoom a bit in. These screws are very fine. They have they have a finer winding, how is it called, tapping, I don't know, not this one, because there are some metal screws, and these ones here, they are more rough, they are for the plastic. So we have here on the corners, zoom out again, on the corners there are these plastic screws, and here you can see also already this is for the metal screws as well as these points. So these have been all screws already, and we have to take it out and be cautious there not to break anything. Guess it's best to start on the top again. Okay, this just popped out with no problems, and we have 2 ribbon cables here, and we can just take this one off. You can just use a nail from your finger or something. Okay, this was the, I guess this is the digitizer, and can take this off. Yeah, it's just sticking with some tape to this metal plate here, and there is the second ribbon cable. Then you have more freedom to just unfold this, and here is a small holding thing. Yeah, you can unfold this like this. Maybe I can just zoom in again. Okay, so this is closed like this, and you have just to open this. And then you can see here are some knobs. You have to pull out the ribbon cable like this. Okay, so this is took apart. Then we have this metal plate here. You can just take out the ribbon cable, and we have just to pull out, take out the broken LCD like this. So this is the LCD, and this is the digitizer, which is connected to to the glass or plastic, let's say. I like this plastic here, or I don't know if it's glass or plastic, but it didn't break. Even it's scraped already a few times, it didn't break. The most of the phones just have the glass until the corner, and when the phone falls down, it directly hits the glass, and the glass breaks the whole way. And here we still have some plastic on the outside, so if it falls down, it just scratches the plastic, but not don't break the glass. So yeah, they are obviously messing around with you with the breaking phone, so you have to put another whole chunk of plastic around your phone to keep your display safe. What's next? I will just take, oops, something fell down. I will take tissue to clean it inside. Take the chance. Okay, this is outside. Whenever I have the chance to clean it up inside, I will take it. But be cautious, because there might be some coating inside for the digitizer. I think the display is clean enough. And then I will take the new display. This has a protective sticker on it, that you can pull off, and don't touch it from now on. Okay, and I will just place this inside. So this is fitting quite well. Okay, get the digitizer out. This looks well, as far as I know, and then we have to do all the work backwards again. So we take the metal plate and put the ribbon cable from the LCD inside. Then we place the metal plate like this. Then take this board and put the ribbon cable back in. I'll zoom again. So, oops. You can take a 45 degree angle to place it in this socket and hold it down, so these two knobs are holding it in place, and then just close the connector again. Then we can fold the ribbon cable back in place and say, okay, we have to put the plate in, and you have to take care of your rubber knob of this thing here. Okay, so I just put this back in, then place the digitizer back. Maybe it will stick again. Then this has to fold like this in this mold, and finally put below of your rubber knob here, and I want it to snap in somehow, but do not want to break anything here. Okay, so snapped in. Now I connect the digitizer, don't forget this, otherwise your touchscreen won't work. We are almost done here. Take again the two silverish plastic screws and screw the top two corners. If you think you can't do this, I have to say I'm a software engineer, I'm not an electronics engineer, so you really can do this at home as well. Anyone can do this. I hope this tutorial or this detailed repair video helps you. Now I take back the connector for the phone jack, and the contacts are going downwards, and what I want to do now is I put the jack here inside the hole, so it springs back. Okay, it have to stay there. Okay, so it springs upwards, but you have to take care that this stays inside. And what's next is we put the back cover on again, and this time I want to place it like here, because we have here some molds for the jack. We have to put it from the top, but in this corner we have to take care about this rubber knob. I don't want to rip this off, to go in this, yeah, you can see it. Okay, so we want to go below this and just like this, and then it should snap in again. Okay, seem to work. I hope this device turns on, otherwise it would be a bad show effect. Switching the screwdrivers, now T5 again, and I continue with the metal screws, which are, one is here in the middle, then two in the not so up corners. Okay. If you take the wrong screws, you might break your you might break your display, because yeah, the holes where the screws are going in, they are not closed, and directly on the other side starts the display. You might bump into the display. You don't want to do this, so you have to take short screws in here. Then the long screws, the longest ones, they go to the, obviously in the, oops, in the bottom right now. Okay, I will place it first with my fingers. Rubber knob. Okay, I think that's all. I test the buttons. Still working. This one isn't. Yes, it is. It is. Okay. Put the SIM card, even though it's not the right one, but it will work to test this device. My SD card, 16 gigabytes. I love these things. They are so tiny and so cheap. And battery, I don't know if it is charged because I haven't used it for now a few months. And okay, it vibrates, and let's see if something shows up on the screen. Otherwise it, there it is. Seems to work. Of course my phone is rooted. And the touch screen, okay, I don't know, this touch screen still works. And okay, I don't know the code for this SIM card, but touchscreen works, display works, thumbs up. This have worked. Simple repair. Oops. Simple repair. Instead of buying a new phone, you can just buy a display for with shipping for 8. Okay, wireless so on. You can buy just replacement display in China from AliExpress with shipping, pay with your credit card. This is safe. There I have tried this, I've done this many times before. $8 with shipping, replacement display. You can do this with all other phones as well. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video and if it was helpful, informative, make thumbs up and maybe tune in again in my channel for new videos. Bye!